Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming where R is operating, run getOd, and read the path it returns. Once done, change it directly with setOd, /path/ to /folder, because R uses that path for relative files. Make sure to provide a valid, quoted string and prefer forward slashes on Mac OS/Linux and R-friendly paths on Windows. If you use RStudio, you can also pick session set working directory to source file location to align the session with your script quickly. Now refine how you supply paths so changes stick. You should prefer forward slashes like C/users/u/project. Once you call setOd, use normalize path, relative /path, to convert it to an absolute canonical path. If you want less typing, call file, choose to select a file and derive its dir name for setOd. Alternatively, use the here package, install it and call here in projects to get reproducible paths. These steps reduce mistakes and make scripts portable across systems. Finish by verifying the change, run getOd, and list files so you see the current folder and its contents. If you want persistence, use n rproj or set a project root so every session starts in the right place. If things go wrong, check for permission errors, typos, or incorrect separators. Call normalize path must work equals false to inspect what R sees. If permission blocks remain, run R with appropriate user rights or choose a different directory you can access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.